Welcome! Today we're going to clear the jam rear error on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Before working on your Brother machine, please allow it to run for 10 minutes to allow the fan to cool the internal parts. Handling internal parts while still hot may result in injury. Turn to the back of the machine and open the rear cover. Ensure the internal parts have cooled. Push down on the green levers on the left and right side and open the fuser cover. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Close the fuser cover. Now close the rear cover. Now press Retry on the touchscreen. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.